Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina K Designs, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a brand new stamp set to share. Let's dive in. So here it is, Everyday Amazing. You can see that I'm already loving it. It's already getting well loved. And there is a coordinating die set in this stamp set. And I'm going to walk you through all of the elements in the stamp set, but I've got this big honking diamond background that's super, super fun. You've got that big honking piece of diamond background that I'm going to show you how that works. It covers an entire A2 sized card and then some. So if you're into scrapbooking and other paper crafting things, this is a really, really big stamp element for you. I've got some two-step stamping with a strawberry element, and we've got the seeds and a little strawberry bloom. Love that bloom. And we've got some leafery elements, the toppers for the strawberries, some more leafery elements to kind of pull the whole stamp set together to create some really fun cards. Okay, you make everyday amazing is the sentiment. And again, this stamp set, like all of my stamp sets, coordinate in proportion to each other. So they work really well with other stamp sets that you might have of mine in your collection. There is a coordinating die for pretty much almost every stamp in the stamp set, except for the small seeds and the big honkin' background. Okay, let's dive in and take a look at the inspiration I have to share with you today. So here is a really fun card that I paired up with last month's stamp set. I've got the little strawberry blooms in here, and I kind of did a little double stamping and twisting with that to create that double line look. We've got that two-step stamped strawberry with some of the leafery and that background piece, that diamond background that just kind of completes the whole design. This stamp set kind of has a little bit of a retro kind of feel to it. It's super fun. It's incredibly graphic, and it's just, I love it. Okay. All right, here is another really fun card where I did some watercoloring, and I am digging this. Super, super fun, really easy going using that leafery that's just kind of wrapping around that big honking strawberry. Love it. And I used So Very Happy for You. This is one of the sentiments from Past Incentive, and I just love it. Here is a super fun card with the strawberries cascading down, and I'm really digging it. I've got that two-step stamping going on, but I've taken that strawberry and just kind of turned it a little bit to give that wonky look and feel. Just kind of loving it. And I used Our Friendship is Magic. This is a really fun sentiment from a Past Incentive as well. Love it. Okay, I couldn't resist pairing this stamp set up with last month's stamp set, and I used the Farmer's flower cone and just kind of created this little strawberry cone of goodness, and it's just super fun. I'm loving the way this card came out. Use that little, just a tiny little bit of the corner of the diamonds to create that just little something extra down there, just kind of giving us a just kind of super whimsical look, and I'm loving it. Okay. Here is that diamond background in this pattern. So I've created this pattern, used that diamond background twice. Now the beautiful thing about that diamond background, I'm going to bring it in to show it to you, is that you can repeat this and it'll be a repeat pattern. So we've got the bottom here that just kind of goes off of the edge. But when you repeat this stamp, you'll get a repeating pattern, which is super, super cute. Layered all of my strawberry elements and the leafery, and just kind of did that two-step stamping, double stamping with a twist with that little bloom to create that little extra look there. Just totally loving that. You make everyday amazing. Okay, here is another card sample where I used that pattern and did a pattern across the card front, and then I also did a pattern with another color inside the centers. So you have lots of options to stamp this and stamp again inside in the negative space to create that all over pattern look. Loving that, just loving the way that looks. As with all of my stamp sets, I have a brand new card idea sheet for Everyday Amazing. There are 8 super fun ideas showing you layering options for the stamps. And, you know, just a lot of really super whimsical cards that you can make with this stamp set. You can grab this free card idea sheet on my website at indigojadeart.com/craftyourjoy, or you can grab it in the Gina K Designs Facebook group. Super, super fun. You can get all of my card idea sheets there on my website as well. Okay, let's take another quick look at the stamp set Everyday Amazing. It's a super fun stamp set. Lots of options for creating super whimsical, really fun cards with this background. Also the coordinating die set, and I'm just loving it. I've got a lot of inspiration that I'm going to share in the next couple weeks. So I hope you'll stay tuned. I hope you really enjoyed the stamp set reveal and all of the inspiration that I've shared with you today. I'm super excited for this brand new set called Everyday Amazing. It's available now at ginakdesigns.com in the What's New section. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And you can watch more card and watercolor tutorials here.